AVA Tech Show 2009. I'm out here with Conrad. Conrad, what's your last name?
It's Saam.
Saam, okay. Well, Conrad, tell me about Avvo, is that correct?
Yeah, it's Avvo. So we are an online legal directory.
Okay.
And we launched just 18 months ago.
Okay.
And we've taken a very consumer-centric approach to matching consumers with lawyers.
Okay.
And so we did a lot of research, what's important to consumers when they're selecting a lawyer, what do they want to know, what do they not care about? And so we've taken all this really deep consumer research and created a site that is really consumer-friendly in finding a lawyer. The result of that has been, in 18 months, we've become the second most trafficked legal directory on the web.
Okay.
Really by developing a product that's not for lawyers, but much more for consumers.
Okay. What are the different ways that consumers can interact with the site online?
That's a great question. So there's a couple things that, if you think about your consumer, you probably, you're looking for a lawyer, you often have basic legal questions. I don't even know where to start.
Right.
Do I have a legal case? What should I do? Can I do this? Can I not do that? So we have this functionality where consumers can post questions to lawyers, and lawyers can answer them. And it gives lawyers an awesome opportunity to present their credentials and their expertise by interacting directly with real consumer questions.
Okay. Are a lot of the lawyers who are on there, are they here at the Tech Show?
Yep. So one of the things that we have, in fact, the lawyers who are on there are, we basically have all of the lawyers in the states that we cover.
Okay.
So it's not like, one of the things that makes us different is instead of having a sign up where lawyers sign up, we basically have a complete record of the lawyers in the states that we cover.
Okay.
So we have 85% of the lawyers in the country are currently on the site.
Okay, what's the URL for that?
It's avvo.com.
How did you come up with the name Avvo?
So Avvo is short for avvocato, which in Italian is advocate or attorney.
Okay.
And so in Spanish it's abogato, but it's basically a shortening of the Italian for attorney.
Okay, what's the biggest thing that you're looking forward to seeing here at the AVA Tech Show?
Well, so there's two things. The first thing is, do people know about us? Does the legal community know about us? And we've kind of been quiet and sequestered in Seattle for a long time. So we get out and we get to talk to these people and see whether or not people know about us.
Okay.
And the second thing is, what else is hot? What's going on that's hot? There's so much stuff that it's changing so quickly, and the legal profession has been so slow to adapt to change. And I think to some extent the market is now forcing lawyers to really get creative and gritty about how they go about marketing themselves, and they're turning to the web to do that.
What are some of those big things that you've seen?
So some of the cool things that I saw, the guys at Rocket Matter have a huge buzz.
Okay.
Those guys really seem to know what they're doing. Let me think. Some of the other really great things that I've seen here. I don't know if you saw from the Wow Factor, the 3D simulation software.
I did. I actually did see that. I sat there and watched it for like 30 minutes just as I like watching the cartoons.
It's absolute wow factor, and you can see how that would be really effective. So you see like these abilities to take on technology and present things in a different way.
Okay. Are you on Twitter?
Yes.
What is your name on Twitter?
It's Conrad Saam, S-A-A-M on Twitter.
There you go. He's on Twitter. We're on Twitter. This is Conrad and Brandon and social media law student Rex. That is Rex7 on Twitter. He's behind the camera right now, and we'll see more here soon.